Hi, you guys. I recently had a student reach out to me and ask me how to turn in work on Seesaw. So I wanted to make a quick little tutorial video about how to do that. Now, what I've done here on Seesaw is I actually created an account for myself as if I were a student who is a part of my class. So that way I can see what your kids see on their screen. So what you're going to see here on this in this upper left-hand corner, it says Jenny, my name. It says that I'm a student and that I belong to one class. Okay. Also, this red bubble that says 83. What that means is I have 83 unfinished assignments and activities that I need to complete. Over here on this right-hand side, it says the name of the class that I belong to, Miss Bernardino's first grade class. It says that I'm a student. Okay. And then there's 3 tabs: journal, activities, and inbox. Now, your journal is where all your completed work will go. The work will either be waiting for my approval, or I will have already approved it, and you can see all your completed work there. Right here in this activities button is where you're going to find all the work that you still need to complete and finish and turn into me. And then here, this inbox tab will be if I have any class announcements, any videos that I want the whole class to watch, I will put here and it will get sent to their inbox. So if there is an announcement for them, you'll see it'll also have a little bubble with a number of how many announcements are sitting there in their inbox. So right now there aren't any, which is why it doesn't have a number next to it. But I can see here I have 83 unfinished activities that are waiting for response. So that means that they are waiting for your child to complete. So here on this on this left-hand side, it is all my activities, which is brought up over here on this right-hand side from this tab, okay? So because I'm on activities, here is my whole list of activities of all the activities I need to do, okay? So math homework for chapter 9, week 1, lesson 1 will be right here. I would click on this link, watch the YouTube video. After I watched the YouTube video, I would come here to add a response and it would bring me my homework. Okay, I would complete my homework. How many sides and vertices? There's 4 sides to the square. There are 4 vertices. Vertices are corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. I would finish this assignment. Notice you can also see how many pages there are to complete over here on this right-hand side. So you want to make sure you complete the first page. You can click here to go to the second page. As soon as both pages are done, green means go, and it will turn in their homework to me. So I would click right here. And now it is waiting for teacher approval. And you'll notice I'm on my journal now because it is all work here that I have completed and turned into my teacher. And it will tell you that it's waiting for the teacher to approve. Or it will also tell you that the teacher has approved it and it will sit here as completed. Now I can go back to my 82 activities. And now here's my next one. So you're going to notice that math activity is now gone because I've already turned it into my teacher. So here is my 6.2 spelling 4 times each. I can click on this. This right here, this little image will be a sample of materials that they'll need. So it's their list of their words. Now, after I have gone through that list, I can now go here to add a response and you're going to find the work. So here I'm going to write each word 4 times each. Again, you're going to notice that there are more than one page. So I would go to the second page to complete the second page. And as soon as I'm done, green means go. Green means turn in. Okay, so again, here, waiting for teacher approval. So I don't want you guys to let this number scare you. The expectation is that your children are completing work as I'm posting the work. Now, if they haven't, that's okay. If they haven't, rather than focusing on getting 81 assignments or activities done, I want you to just really focus on setting a time limit for your children to work every day. The expectation is that your children will do work on Seesaw for anywhere between an hour and an hour and a half. And then we'll also be meeting with me every day for either 30 to about 45 minutes. So in total, it should add up to about 2 hours of work every day for your children to be doing. Now, that 2 hours